All right. These are gonna be the elevators here at the Park Vista Hotel, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We got some elevators here to ride, and we got an American flag. There's another look at this very nice atrium. And there's one of them going. We're gonna go take a ride. These used to be US, I believe, but they were modded by Dover. As you can see, if you look back here, there's internal elevators, but we don't care about internal elevators. We're gonna ride these. And they're Dover Impulse now. They used to be US. See which one we're gonna be getting. Tallest hotel in Gatlinburg, second tallest building in Gatlinburg, aside from the Space Needle. This one. Either this, no, that one, this one. Right, what floor are you going to?
6. You going all the way to the top, huh?
Yeah, I'm just an elevator fan.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
We're up on 6.
Yep. You have a good time.
Ooh, these used to be Murphy elevators. All right. This is a very nice hotel. Here on 15. Going down?
Yes.
Which floor? Lobby?
Yep.
I believe so.
We're good.
Thank you.
And sitting on the registration table.
And here we go.
Bunch of boxes of food. This is video.
Here on 1. Have a nice day.
You too.
There goes. It's this one. What floor?
Or you like to look out the window?
Quick as it take up, it'll make you dizzy.
I know, it's fast.
Video.
Yeah, we're doing a video of these amazing elevators. It's really cool.
It is pretty cool.
I like when it goes way down, so it goes down super fast.
Yeah.
It stops, it's like, oh crap.
You're on the top.
Top level.
I'm gonna get a cab view when I have this thing alone. Very, very, very nice elevators. There's your indicator in your doors with the lanterns. That's to view the glass back cab. Dover sign. And here are your custom Dover impulse fixtures. You have an ADA compliant HelpLink phone. We'll go take one more ride. These are pretty awesome elevators. Going up?
Yes.
What floor?
10, please. Thank you.
There we go. Here we go. We're on 10. Two lanterns. I don't know what kind of interlock that is. We'll shut the door. Here we go. We're on 10. Any leveling? Nope. Down to the lobby. Here we go. Kind of hear the interlocks. I mean the... Alright, we're on 5. Going down?
Yes.
Lobby.
Oh, this one's going down. You were right. Yay. Thank
I
you.
can't wait to see. Here we go.
Here we go.
Whee! Wow, that was fast.
We're on the lobby.
Okay, right here.
And he's running back.
Anyways, there it goes. I'm trying not to get anyone. There it goes. And let's go and get another look at the atrium. Well, there they go. See, there's up to the where the elevators go, and there's the circle atrium hallways, and that will be it.